So, so after a breakup with a narcissist, why do they always seem to want to meet you face to face? Why do they want to have these face to face conversations? If you're new here, my name is Lee Hammock. I'm a clinically diagnosed narcissist, and welcome to another episode of the Narcissist Code. So boom, welcome back. Yes, y'all. Yep. Why in the hell do those pesky narcissistic people always seem to want to meet face to face? Why can't you just do this over the phone? Why can't we just talk over the phone? Why can't we talk through text? Why can't we FaceTime? Why can't we Zoom call? Why can't we Skype? Or what's that? Why can't we Duolingo? Duolingo. Why can't we do that? You know, but you see the mindset of a lot of narcissists, y'all. In the mind of a narcissist, face-to-face works best. I know you might feel the same way, y'all. This is not like, just because they want to be face-to-face doesn't automatically mean that they're narcissists. But a lot of narcissists want to meet you face-to-face because they know that's the best way to get you back. They'll beg and plead you. They'll try to make you feel, guilty. Literally, they will absolutely try to make you feel guilty about not wanting to see them face to face. You never loved me. If you ever loved me, you would meet me at our favorite restaurant, downtown Raleigh, and you would come in your black dress with the boots on, and you would dance with me one more time, please. You know, if you ever cared about me, if you ever loved me, you would meet there. You know, if you don't meet me, I don't even want to live anymore. If you don't meet me right now, I'm going to take my, if you don't meet me right now, I'm going to take my Tesla and I'm going to auto drive it right into a tree. I'm going to ram my Cybertruck into an oak tree and end it all. because you don't want to be with them anymore. They want to see you. Imagine, right, taking a Cybertruck and driving into an oak tree because you're mad your ex broke up with you. But that happens, y'all. Like, seriously, that's the mindset. I'm sorry, y'all. That's the mindset of a lot of narcissistic people. They will try to make you feel guilty so they can get you one last time face to face. They want to see, like, they want, like, even though narcissists, it's hard to get them to be emotionally vulnerable to you. In their minds, if they see you face to face, they're conjuring up all the emotions that they get. Any emotion they got in their body, they conjuring it up. Like the emotion, if they got any kind of emotion in a little toe on their left foot, they're conjuring it up. They're trying to get it to bubble to the surface so they can come and manipulate you. So they can come and try to hurt you with it, right? They're trying to get their emotions to raise to the surface so that they can do some damage to you, emotionally, not physically. You know what I mean? They're hoping that you see they're hoping to face for some closure. That you're gonna see them. They might actually shed a tear, like they might come with the Visine eye drops and just start dropping them. You know what I mean? Just start dropping them. Hey, I dropped something under the table. And to be Visine, they be underneath the table like, squeak. Look what you got me doing. I told myself I wasn't going to cry. And look at me crying. They want to see you face to face because they think that you see their emotions, that they can remind you of the good times. You see the face, the body, it's attached to the person that you fell in love with, right? The person that you initially fell in love with when you first during the love bombing phase, that person, that face is attached to that person, right? So they're assuming that if you see this face attached to this body, that you're going to fall back in love with them. Even though the inside is different. The outside looks the same. The inside has changed up dramatically. The person you love is gone. Internally. Externally, the shell is still the same. You mean the shell is still the same. The insides have been mixed up. It's like, you know, you take a soda. I ain't gonna shake my soda up because I like it. You know, you shake a soda up, the insides change, right? The outside is still the same, but the insides change up dramatically. So if you're dealing with a narcissistic person, they want you to see the shell. They want to present the shell one more time to you. So hopefully you can connect to the old times. You can connect to the good times. You can connect to the times when things weren't so bad. You can connect to the times when they weren't lying to you. You can connect to the times when they weren't cheating on you. You connect to the times when they weren't gaslighting you and lying, putting their hands on you, whatever it is, screaming and yelling at you in public, embarrassing you, invalidating you. They want you to connect to the old times when things were better, right? That's what they want. They shouldn't get it, but that's what they want. They want one last time, one last chance to manipulate you. They like to, this is a continuation. If your narcissist ever asks you for face-to-face closure, they don't want closure. They want a continuance. They don't want to be, they don't want to be sentenced. They don't want to be sentenced. They want a continuance. It's like going to court. They want a continuance. You know, they already play. All the evidence is in there. All the evidence is against them. They go into court. You take it in the empath court. You know, they've been found guilty, Mr. or Mrs. Narcissist. You've been found guilty by a jury, a one person jury of your peer, of your ex peer. Now it's time for the sentencing. They're asking for a continuance. They want a relationship continuance. They don't want closure. They don't want to be sentenced to no contact, no access. This is the last time we're ever going to talk. This is the last time you ever hear from me. They don't want that. They want to continue. They want a continuation of the abuse cycle. They want to continue to hurt you. They want to continue to manipulate you. They want to continue to put you through these horrible, horrible times because that's what they want to do. You know, that's what they do. That's what they're going to keep doing to you because why wouldn't they? Why would they stop? Let's keep it real. Why would they stop? They might stop for a little while. They might convince you one time to take them back right. They might stop for a little while. Things might go back to normal. But then they're going to check the soda top up again, right? And they're going to go back to the abusive, toxic ass person that you're trying to get away from. They're going to go do that. That's what narcissists want to do, y'all. That's literally the mindset of it all right there. They don't want to negotiate with you. They don't want to do things. They don't want to be your friends. They want to get over on you. They want to do damage to you emotionally one more time. They don't want, look, they might not even want you anymore. They just don't want anybody else to have you. You know? They might not even want you anymore. They might, look, can we, look, I just want, look, I know you don't want to be with me, but can we start over? Can we please just be friends? Please, just friends with benefits. And the benefits is clapping cheeks every once in a while. The benefits is having a family. The benefits is getting married and moving in together and running away. The benefits are living happily ever after. You know, friends with benefits. You know, that's what I'm just telling you. Do not meet them face to face. I know some of y'all want to meet them face to face. I got people in my support group. If y'all don't know, I do have a support group called the Mental Healers where we meet 2-3 times a week over Zoom. We chat, we talk about goal setting and things like that. Link is in the description of every video and podcast I do. Mental Healers. It's a private group. It's not on Facebook, Instagram, nowhere. It's the Mental Healers. It's on a different server. But people just like, please just let me do this. Please can I do this? You know what I mean? They like people in my group. They want more face-to-face closure or whatever. I understand that, y'all, but like don't get sucked back in to that the myth of closure. Because that's what they're holding. Like they want to dangle the myth of closure. And I know you, as a person, you might want closure as well. But I'm here to tell you that closure is something that you give to yourself. And all people are just like, oh, no closure. I heard that before. Y'all, sometimes you gotta listen to people. You gotta get out of your own way. Put your own ego to the side. Because yes, so, like, empaths, codependent people have egos as well. Put your own ego to the side and just understand that there's nothing that this person can say to you, to your face, that's going to change how you feel. That's going to close the relationship chapter up. There's nothing they can say to you. What can they say to you? Well, let's ride off. You're not going to ride off into the sunset one last time and say goodbye to this person. That's not how it goes. That's fairy tale shit. You know what I mean? I gotta be cussing. I don't know how to get the videos, but it happens sometimes. I get passionate. I love this. I love doing this. But that's what I'm just telling you right now. As a person to you right now, face to face. That this is right now, I'm telling you face to face, you listen to me, you don't need to sit down with them. You don't need the face to face closure. When they had every opportunity to your face to treat you better, they didn't do it. So why in the hell would you give them one last time to do it? Because sometimes they want, like, You hear this in some of these magazines, some of these newspapers, some of these articles online, right? They wanted to meet, they met up one last time. Things didn't go the way they planned, and somebody ended up losing their life. So this face-to-face meeting could be because they haven't seen you in a long time. You change your pattern up, you moved away, so they can't find you. And when they finally see you face-to-face, they go ahead and send you on out of here. You lose your life for face-to-face. You don't need face-to-face closure. Closure was the disrespect. Closure was how they treated you. When they had you face-to-face, when they had every opportunity to your face to be better, they chose not to. So that's what I'm telling you right there. Closure is a myth. You don't need face-to-face. They want to meet you face-to-face because it benefits them. It doesn't benefit you. It benefits them. They're still being fake. They're still being selfish. If anything, if they're begging and pleading and they're trying to make you feel guilty about not wanting to meet them face-to-face, that just shows you more of who they are. It's still about them. I deserve closure. I'm hurting, but I'm going to run my Cybertruck into a tree. It's still about them. The face-to-face, they might try to make it seem like it's equal. There might be some reciprocity. No, it's still about them at the end of the day. So you have a choice to make. It's your life. You have to live your life the way you want to live it at the end of the day, y'all. But anyways, y'all, I appreciate every single one of y'all. Of course, if you haven't, check out my mental health support group. We in there live every single day. Mental Illness is out. Peace. Thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. I am extremely grateful for you. Have no idea. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Helps reach more people. And click on the screen to watch another video or to browse through another playlist. There's also a link on the screen to check out my courses and my support groups to help you heal and understand what you've been through. Thank you so much again. I will see you in the next video. Peace.